mga country of destination or choice kumbaga. So, why do we say you want to study in Malta? Ano po ang kayang ibigay po ni Malta po sa inyo, no? So, with that, ano yung nangyari? Nawala yung aking ano. Wait lang. So, ano po yung kayang ibigay sa inyo ng ni Malta? So, sa Malta kasi po, of course, hindi lang naman po ang Australia, US, Canada, New Zealand ang mga pwedeng magbigay sa inyo ng opportunity to grow, no? Madami po dyan. So, isa na po ang Malta, na maliit lang po siyang bansa, katabi ng Roma. Ang bansang ito ay definitely pinupuntahan din po ng mga Filipino kababayan po natin, no? Kasi po itong lugar po ito na maliit sa malapit sa Italy po is or malapit sa Roma is destination po, kung saan dinadaungan siya ng mga barko, mga cruise ships po. Doon po nire-repair ang mga barko na ito, no? So, wait lang, ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Sorry naman. Ano bang nangyayari? So, doon po dumadaong ang mga cruise ship. Doon po sila nire-repair. Okay po. So, tourist destination din po siya. At the same time, marami pong opportunities na pwede nyo pong i-explore sa Malta, no? So, isa na nga dyan, paano tayo makakapunta sa Malta? Tourist visa ba? Visit visa ba? Kailangan bang may kakilala doon na nandun ka na? Paano po ba? So, one of the safest visa na pwede nyo pong gamitin para maka-enter po kayo sa Malta is, of course po, yung ating student visa, no? So, sa study program sa Malta, ano po ba yung makukuha ng isang student visa holder sa Malta? Bakit po, ano po yung kayang ibigay sa kanya ng Malta, no? So, ang Malta, ang education programs naman din po nila ay very affordable, no? Very affordable in a sense na um, yung mga courses po doon is also being conducted in an English format, no? Of course, syempre hindi po na mawawala na may mga sarili silang native na lingwahe. Katulad din po sa atin, no? Second language natin ang English. Normally, nakakapagsalita din naman tayo ng vernacular, ng Tagalog. Pero at the same time, yung ating mga kurso ay um, nilalapatan ng or kinakandak in an English format. So, English speaking learning environment din po si Malta, no? At the same time, we all know that Malta is part of the European countries, wherein yung kung ano man po yung study program na makukuha po or iti-take in po ninyo doon would be internationally recognized as for qualifications naman po siya, no? So, multicultural student community din kasi syempre sabi ko nga po sa inyo, no, doon po dumadaong ang mga barko, cruise ship. So, marami po talagang po, kahit maliit lang po na bansa ang Malta, within, katabi lang po siya ng what do you call this, ng Rome, marami po talagang pumupunta din to, no? Hindi lang po natin naririnig. So, or hindi lang po tayo palaging aware kasi maliit nga lang po siyang bansa, no? So, anyway, yan po siya. Also, um, excellent travel opportunities din po. So, sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, isa rin po siya sa tourist destinations. So, katabing-katabi lang po kasi siya ng Roma, tapos pwede po kayong lumipat ng Roma, pwede po kayong mag-explore doon at mag-take pa ng other, mag-explore pa ng ibang opportunities. So after you po mag-aral, then you go and move to Italy para po mas marami po kayong ano. And once the visa naman at na-approvean kayo sa isang Schengen countries, you are also, I think, if I'm not mistaken, you are also able to travel and move around doon sa 29 Schengen countries, no? So, from there, definitely, career development and global exposure, sabi nga nila, kasi isa siya sa European countries. So, alam naman natin na pag sinabing European countries, eh, syempre, matatatag na bansa po yan, no? So, career development wise, mataas po ang requirement nila or workforce needs nila in terms of the hospitality industry and allied healthcare, kasi ang allied healthcare medyo ano po dumadami na po yung ay nandiyan na po si Miss Lee, no, ang ating guest speaker. So madam, wait lang, nagbi-briefing ako habang wala ka po. Pasensya ka. Kumusta
Okay
na?
lang.
Kumusta naman, Miss Lee?
Hi, Miss Ella. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon po. Ayan. So, I understand you are very busy, pero thank you at pinaunlakan po ninyo ang aming imbitasyon na kayo po ay maging speaker namin dito sa ating pagpo-promote ng international study program sa ating mga kababayan, no? So, sabi ko nga kanina sa aking mumunting talk habang wala ka pa po is that ang Malta ay isa sa mga tourist destination din sa European countries, na kung saan doon dumadaong ang mga what do you call this, mga cruise ship at doon sila nire-repair. Katabi lang po si Malta ng Roma, so pwede sila mag-explore after their graduation or after taking their courses doon sa Malta, and they can move around to Italy, or they can move to other European countries of their like or of their choice, no? So definitely, ano po, sa inyo pong discussion, ipapakilala ko po ang ating butihing speaker ngayon, si Miss Lee Rabulan. Si Miss Lee naman po, she's been in the industry also for quite some time, no? As a marketing representative dito or marketing manager ng mga iba-ibang school sa European countries, no? So, expertise yan ni Madam. So, tayo po ay makikinig sa kanya, para mas ma-explore natin kung ano po yung kayang ibigay na opportunity ng Global Colleges Malta, para at least alam po ng mga kababayan natin na ano ba si Malta? Ano bang pwede kong gawin diyan? Ano ba yung mapapala ko diyan pag diyan ako pumunta? Pag ano po yung back, o di ba? Mga ganon, kasi hindi naman sila totally, marami sa kababayan natin ang alam lang Italy, Rome, yung mga common na lagi nilang naririnig, Germany, Poland, Switzerland, mga ganyan. So hindi sila masyado aware dun sa mga ibang regions na nalalaktawan because of the hindi sila masyado pang popular. Pero right now, no, with the trend, marami nang nakakaalam ng about Malta. It's just that hindi pa nila totally na-explore ano pa yung kayang ibigay ni Malta sa ating mga international study goers diyan, no. So with your guidance and with your presence, Miss Lee, definitely we would be able to give them or enlighten them sa kanilang international study program, no. Yan po. So let's give the discussion na, or the window for the discussion to our guest speaker, our beloved Miss Lee Rabulan. Yan. Sige.
Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you for having me, Link Edu. So,
Oh,
I'm very,
wala.
very thankful for this opportunity, ma'am. 'Di ba, na ma-discuss natin yung
Oo.
Malta. 'Di
Yes,
ba?
oo.
It's about time na
Honor din naman
makilala.
kami.
Oo. It's about time, ma'am, na makilala na ng ating potential international students. All
Correct.
about Malta, what Malta can offer,
That's
'di ba?
right.
What
Oo.
opportunities
Oo.
ang nandoon. I tell you guys, I'm going to be presenting na yung aking simple presentation. I'll make it as simple as possible
Yes,
para
oo.
madali niyong maintindihan ano
Opo.
ang pwedeng i-offer ng Malta sa inyo. Okay. So by the
Correct.
way, I'm Lira. I represent Global College Malta. Okay, or we call it GCM for
GC.
short. Again, that's Global College Malta. It's
Malta.
located in Smart City in Malta. So Smart City is similar to what we have here, like dito meron tayong BGC.
BGC.
So, so dun sa Malta, it's a very new development. May mga malls, may mga offices,
Nice.
pero nasa tabi ka ng dagat. 'Di ba? If you can
Wow! Ang ganda
imagine.
ng scenery doon.
Ang ganda ng scenery.
Wow.
Actually, Malta has a lot to offer. Kasi it's a tourist destination.
Correct.
It's something that you would go pagka gusto mo magbakasyon. Pero ito, you're going to be studying at a tourist destination, no, tourist spot
Correct.
siya. So, kung familiar kayo sa Game of Thrones,
Oo.
uh, I think some of the
Scenes doon.
scenes ay doon talaga sa Malta, no? Oo, kaya
Wow!
yes, it's becoming one of the parang in terms of sa entertainment or sa movie industry yan, parang lagi silang nakukuha for any type of movies. Even si Jolina and Marvin Magdangala, the
Doon
movie
din.
Malta,
Oo, 'di ba?
doon din. So,
Correct.
oo.
Oo.
Ayan na. So, can I share my screen
Sige,
na?
ma'am. Go ahead. Opo.
Oo. Sige. I was
Mm.
really looking forward to this webinar. Sabi ko talaga,
Yes, oo. At saka lahat ng
kailangan,
maka-capture natin dito sa session na 'to, lahat po na magse-send ng CPs nila, may promo po tayo, Miss Lee. So, we will give them promo of the processing fee para po hindi naman po sila masyadong mabigatan, no? And at the same time, ipo-post din po natin ito sa ating mga social media accounts, hindi lang po sa Facebook, no? Meron po, even to our website, may LinkedIn din po tayo, may YouTube channel at the same time, sa TikTok and Instagram, no? Yun. So, mas malaki
naku, dami pa ng
yes, mas malami
platform.
tayong exposure, madam. So,
Yes.
ito na yung opportunity para ilatag na natin sa ating mga
Oo.
viewers kung ano po ang kayang gawin ng Global College Malta for them and what's the opportunity at stake with them sa Malta. Ayan.
Yan yung sinasabi ko it's about time. This is long overdue. Kasi,
Yes!
di ba, when you say Europe, it's always Germany, the United
Mm.
Kingdom, Ireland,
Yes, correct.
France, and Spain. 'Di ba?
Correct,
Kasi yung mga
oo.
top countries, 'di ba, that they look
Mm.
into Poland, Finland, lahat,
Oo,
'di ba?
Switzerland, ganyan, oo.
Lahat nandiyan Pero there is this little, 'di
Oh,
ba? There's
correct.
this little country called Malta. 'Di ba?
Yes.
In the heart of the Mediterranean. 'Di ba? So,
Correct.
let me introduce Global College Malta. Ayan siya. So, sabi ko nga, we're located in a smart city. So it's
Wow.
a very, very new development. So similar to BGC natin, na maraming
Mm.
malls, maraming offices, maraming buildings, maraming schools. But ito, facing the sea. O, di ba? Ayun yung
Wow.
dagat sa tabi mo, sa
Wow.
harapan mo. Okay, so si Global College Mata actually offers a foundation, undergraduate diplomas,
Wow.
bachelor's, postgraduate diplomas, master's, and even doctorate or PhD program. So,
Wow.
what
Kompleto na
does it say?
siya.
What does
Oh,
it say about the institution? Ang sa akin
exactly.
kasi, if an institution can offer PhD or doctorate level program,
Mm.
it means it's established. It
Correct.
is
Mm-mm.
kilala siya, 'di ba?
Yes.
And
Oo.
highly reputable institution siya. That's
Exactly.
how it is kapag
Correct.
meron kang in-offer na PhD. So
Correct.
baka may nagsabi, baka naman magko-close na kayo next year. No, hindi. So, because we are accredited by the Malta Further Higher Education Authority.
Wow. Oo.
Kung kayo ay pipili talaga ng institution in Malta, always look for the accreditation by the Malta Further Higher Education Authority. Katumbas po ito ng ating DepEd at ng CHED natin here in the
Oh,
Philippines.
wow. That's nice. Oh, at least,
So,
'di
yun
ba?
yon. Kailangan ganun ng
Mm.
Ganun ang una mong hahanapin if you're choosing,
Eh,
if you're choosing schools from Malta, yun agad na namin mo. Accredited ba kayo ng Malta Further Higher Education Authority?
correct.
Sinabing, okay, nasa
Go.
mabuting kamay.
Ay,
So, the institution was established in 2012. So, we're
wow.
actually going to our 15th year. Yes, I know
Mm,
yung iba 50 years na, 60 years na.
correct.
But then again, the school is able to offer PhD level programs, meaning to say, established kami ha.
Correct.
Okay, hindi ka basta mawawala sa
Yes.
industry na to. And, um, ang maganda pa dito, okay, I don't think there's another country that would offer to give your tuition fee back, guaranteed.
Oh, well.
Okay? So we call
Wow.
it the Get Qualified Scheme. Okay?
Oh.
So what is the Get Qualified Scheme? Get Qualified Scheme is actually um this is a project from the Maltese government, okay?
Oh.
So simply put, simplihin natin, okay? Once you've completed your studies, let's say you're going to be taking your 1 year of masters, 1 year
Mm-mm.
lang kasi masters. Once you've completed, magta-transition ka na ngayon into work visa or work permit.
Right.
Nakahanap ka ng employer. Okay. So, ito na. You're supposed to pay taxes, di ba? Kasi
Mm.
nagtatrabaho ka. But then, okay, dahil nag-aral ka sa Malta, yung taxes na yon ay manggagaling sa 70% ng binayad mong tuition fee.
Oh, wow.
Di ba? Yes, Ma'am Ella, you heard it right.
Ami, uy,
Ibabalik.
oo, walang ganito sa iba. To be,
Wala.
to be
There's no other
honest.
country. I've
Oh,
researched, and
yeah.
this is the way of the Maltese government to encourage students to stay back and work
Wow.
in the country.
That's
Okay?
nice.
Previously,
Oo.
previously po, it was given as a cash benefit. Like,
Okay.
after mo matapos cash, kaya lang napansin ng Malta, right after they take their cash, lumilipat na sila ng
Yeah.
other destination
Country.
to
Oo,
work.
oo.
Oo, so kaya parang sabi nila, ha, kami yung nagbigay ng
Tax, oo.
qualification, and
Oo.
then you're going to be transferring to another country. Dito na muna kayo trabaho because we're giving a lot of benefits. Aside from that, ito na. So, binalik na yung tuition fee nyo.
Mm-mm.
Libre pa yung public transportation.
Oh, wow.
Okay. 'Di ba?
Ang
So, your
galing.
transportation is for free. 'Di ba? Ah, anong klaseng transportation? Okay. So, anything that is public transport,
Ah,
it's for
okay.
free. Pwera taxi, pera yung mga cabs, pero the
Oo, oo.
buses
The
and the ferries,
trains.
o lahat
Oo.
yan,
Oo. But
free na yan.
do they have to show ano bang proof para ma-avail nila
Oo.
'yon?
Actually, this is available even for international students. Mag-a-apply lang sila ng Talinya card.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
yung
Wow.
spelling ng Talinya card, it's Talinja. So
Oh,
parang pag binasa mo Talinja,
oo,
Talinja or
Talinja.
Talinha. Pero
Oo.
pag pinronounce nila sa Maltese, Talinya card.
Talinya
So,
card. Wow.
ina-apply lang po ito, and then once you have it, you can already access free transportation.
Wow, nice.
Oh, 'di
That's
ba?
nice.
So, if you're
Oo.
familiar nga, guys, kung familiar kayo on how the public transport in
In
Singapore
parang
is,
ganon.
gano'n. So, yung may mga bus stop ka, punta ka sa bus stop nito, and there are few buses that will take you to other destinations. Gano'n
Destination.
siya, tapos may oras siya. So,
Oh,
very organized yung transport system nila doon.
wow.
Hindi yung papasok ka pa lang, hulas na traffic ka na late ka na. Doon,
Na-haggard
hindi.
ka na.
Oo, haggard ka na, papasok ka pa lang.
Correct.
Noon, it's a very, I would say, very relaxed. Very, may work-life balance because
Mm.
i-share ko na rin yung schedule ng school is like 3 hours per day for 3 days a week. So
Wow.
that's 9 hours a week only.
Oo, wow. Tapos,
So
ano yon,
sabi nga,
online na yung iba? Or
yung
hindi?
iba, they would give you parang take home assignments
Okay.
na gagawin mo sa portal. But the thing is, yun na nga, it will give you lots of ample
Ample
time to do
time.
other things, 'di ba?
Right, correct.
Kang magtrabaho,
Mm.
legally, it's 20 hours per week. Okay,
Oh, okay.
going, 'di ba? Ang
Ang
dami ko
dami na.
na, going back, di, ang dami
Hindi,
kasi, ma'am, talaga.
oo,
Sabi ko nga, pag
correct.
share ko lahat, ay nako. Ayun, culturally diverse college because we
Some
have students from North
different.
America, South America, other parts of
Yes,
Europe,
correct.
Africa, East Asia,
Asia,
Southeast Asia, South Asia. So lahat 'yan meron kaming estudyante.
correct,
Very very small classroom numbers, mga 30 lang. Tapos yun nga na-mention ko na you're allowed to do part-time work of 30
correct.
hours a week.
Mhm.
Um,
Magkano po ang sahod doon 'pag part-time?
Ma'am, siguro I would say for an average, siguro mga 6 to 7 euros per
Oh,
hour.
per hour. Okay. Wow, nice. Oo.
Times mo lang. Alam mo, ma'am, it could, siguro yield mga around 40 to 50,000 pesos a month for your
Co-
part-time.
for a
Diba?
part-timer, 'di
No, it's
ba?
not, I know it's not gonna be able to sustain everything, no? Pero makakatulong
At
siya.
least,
Kasi,
oo.
oo, kasi, one of my students, actually, ang shinare niya sa akin, ang living expenses niya, mama,
Mm.
each month, is around 500 euros only.
Wow.
500 euros, o 'di ba?
Wow.
Parang I don't think kaya 'yun sa France or kaya 'yun sa Germany. Siguro
Oo.
pwede pag nasa province ka talaga, pero how are you
Mm.
going to be able to go back to tawag to, travel to your school kung ang layo-layo mo na. Mura nga, ang layo naman ng travel mo.
Correct,
So
oo.
ito, sila dito dahil maganda nga yung transport system nila, okay? She has an accommodation that is shared accommodation, mga 300 euros lang per month. Kasama niya kapwa niya Filipina. Okay.
Wow.
So, hindi ka naman maselan. I mean, okay ka naman na may kasama, may
Correct.
ka-share. Around 300. Pero syempre, kung gusto mo solo, it would go more than.
Double, oo. Mm.
Tapos, pag namamalengke siya, yung 100 euros niya, okay na yun for 1 month. 'Di ba? To
Wow.
buy and cook her own food. Ngayon, yung
Oo.
remaining 100, yun, ginagamit niya yun for miscellaneous expenses kasi minsan gusto niya kumain sa labas,
Correct.
gusto niya pumunta.
Correct.
Ganun lang. And your transportation is for free. So therefore, ang talagang gagastusin mo lang is food and accommodation.
Yes, oo, tama. Mm, mm.
So ganun ka, ah, very, ang tawag to, I couldn't say naman na parang cheap or ano, pero parang very ano lang, minimal din compared to the other
Countries.
Schengen countries yung kanilang living
Correct.
expenses. Pero
Mm.
high quality of life, 'di
Yes,
ba? Oo,
oo.
mas mura yung, let's say, oo, sasabihin nila parang mas mura din yung sahod niya. But then again, mura rin kasi yung everything, 'di ba?
Yes.
Ganun lang talaga,
Correct.
balance lang din talaga
Mm.
yung magiging ano mo, magiging
Mm.
kitain mo
Mm.
versus sa magiging expenses mo.
Yes,
Okay?
correct.
So,
That's
it's a
good.
very, very safe country to live in, Ma'am Ella.
Mm.
As in, like, it's predominantly Catholic then. There are 365 churches around Malta.
Wow, ang
Binilang
dami.
talaga na, binilang talaga namin. Like, ang daming mga chapels, churches. Yun nga, as
Wow, that's
Catholic
nice.
country ta, um, English speaking.
Correct.
English speaking country. Like, lahat sila nagsasalita and
Oo.
nakakaintindi ng English. So, what
Oo.
does it mean? I mean, for an international student, hindi ka na mag-aaral ng another language.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi for you to
Mm.
be able to get work, you need to know the language and
Correct.
know how to speak it. So, eto, hindi ka na mag-iisip na, kailangan ko mag-aral.
Aral, correct. Oo.
Baka, ganyan. So,
Mm.
English-speaking country siya, and the school itself, hindi siya humihingi ng any English test. So, kung may
Oh, so
MUI kayo,
wow!
ba?
Ang laking
Sa,
tipid nun kasi 'di ba sa iba IELTS, PTE, 'di ba? At saka iba pang
yes,
mga kung ano-ano pang ek-ek na English exams. So, ang
exactly.
laking tipid nun sobra. Mm.
Malaking tipid kasi yun nga,
Mm.
meron na tayong mga Filipino students doon who have shown them na mga Filipinos are able to speak good English naman. So
Correct.
therefore, binigyan nila tayo, sa mga Filipinos, sige na, MOI na lang. Pwede na sa English.
Wow.
you can, I mean, if you have, meron na kayo readily available
Oo,
na mga
edi
English
okay
test.
lang din.
Okay din lang din.
Yes,
Oo, pwede
yes.
naman namin tanggapin. Like for IELTS, it's for 5.5 lang ang
Mm.
hinihingi namin. But then
Mm.
again, sabi ko nga, an MOI would suffice. Okay?
Okay, all right.
Diba? Tapos, this is well connected to Europe. So, you get to travel the other Schengen
'Di
countries.
ba? Sabi
Isang
ko nga
visa pa lang,
oo.
pero like, pwede ka mag-travel, ma'am. O, sige, isingit ko na. So,
Hmm.
yung mga students namin sa Global College, mga Filipino student, na-miss daw nila yung Jollibee.
Oh,
Na-miss nila yung Jollibee. So, saan ang pinakamalapit na Jollibee? Italy. Okay,
wow.
kasi Malta,
Oo.
Malta is
Is
sitting at the parang tip ng Italy, which is Sicily. So, yung Sicily,
oh,
Italy,
okay.
andun
Katabi
lang
lang
siya.
niya. Oh,
Malapit na malapit lang.
wow.
So, ang ginawa nila minsan daw naka-promo yung mga airfare, 'di ba?
They
Nag-aano
travel.
sila yes. So, pumunta
Wow.
kami sa Italy to Rome, kung anong meron sa Italy, anong makikita doon, and then to eat at Jollibee. Di ba?
Ginawang divisoria lang.
Oo. So, ayan. So, ganun siya kagandang, let's say, as a gateway. Kasi nga
Right.
eh, 'di ba? Malapit
Mm.
ka na sa mismong sa mainland of Europe, no?
Correct.
So,
Mm.
also, yung Malta, sabi ko nga, lagi siyang ginagamit for the movies, yung location niya. Aside from that, it's actually a hub for the IT industry, specifically for
Oh,
the iGaming industry.
wow.
So, kaya meron kaming bachelor's in IT. Yan.
Correct.
Tapos
Wow.
meron din kaming bachelor's and master's for tourism. Kasi nga, of course, it's a tourist
Tourism.
destination.
Correct.
Kailangan lang meron ka nun.
Yeah.
And then we also have, ito yung mini-mention ko lang, Miss Ella, yung mga sought after programs. We also have the health and social care
Correct.
management.
Mm.
Para sa
Correct.
mga nakagraduate
Mm.
ng allied health
Yes.
programs of bachelor's.
Wow,
Ayan,
that's
ito
good.
na.
Wow, ang ganda.
So you can see, okay, so itong side na to, ayan siya, yung cursor ko. Yan
Oo.
yung smart city. So sabi
Oh,
ko nga,
okay.
it's a very new development, pero malalaking companies and mga universities nandyan sila. And
Mm.
then, it's facing the sea talaga.
Wow,
So, ganyan
correct.
siya. Tapos at night, ganyan ang itsura niya. And this is our hallway. Ayan,
Wow.
malaki, very spacious, and
Ganda,
this is the
oo.
classroom.
Correct.
Okay, actual photos po yan. If you
Wow.
have time, you can check our Facebook page. You just search for Global College Malta. Makikita nyo doon yung mga videos, actual classrooms. So if you wanna see all
Wow.
of those things, yan. Punta tayo sa Facebook or even our YouTube channel. So hindi siya,
Yes.
ano yun ma'am, hindi siya nakakahiyang um, i-recommend kay
Puntahan.
student or
Mm.
'di ba? Kasi 'pag nakita nila, wow, ang ganda
Mm.
rin ng institution, ang ganda ng campus.
Exactly.
Okay?
Mm.
Next, okay. So eto na, simulan na natin yung mga programs offered namin, okay?
Correct.
Foundation, level 4, MQF means Malta Qualification Framework. Ah,
Mhm.
so lahat naman ng mga bansa, usually may framework sila
Oo.
in terms
Oo.
of sa education nila. May sa
Yes.
Philippines meron din, sa Australia meron din,
Meron like,
sa Canada meron.
oo. Yes.
It's level 4 and in the Philippines, this is equivalent to our senior high
High
school.
school, correct.
So yung grades 11 and 12, yan
Correct.
yung katumpas niya. Foundation
Mm.
in Business and Management. So this is a 1-year program.
Mm.
Okay, 1-year program lang siya. 'Di ba? Instead of taking your 2 years
Senior high school.
senior high school in the Philippines, might as well take it in
Oo.
Malta.
1 year
If,
lang.
1 year lang. Tapos just in
Wow.
case they have plans of taking their bachelors in the UK, in other parts of the world, ano ka na, considered ka na
Pass.
genuine student kasi
Wow.
nag-high school ka sa
Kasama.
Malta. Okay. You
Wow.
also have the level 5 diploma program. Oh,
Wow.
i-highlight ko lang to, ma'am.
Sige
Foundation in
lang.
Medical Science. Why? Bakit gusto ko i-highlight to? Kasi may mga magaganda rin talagang medical schools sa Malta. So, just in case you wanted to pursue talaga medicine,
Mhm.
like Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of veterinary medicine, or even Bachelor of Dentistry, pag nag-undergraduate diploma ka, foundation in medical science, you could go directly into Bachelor
Wow.
of Med.
Wow. Wow,
Okay?
that's
So,
nice.
dito naman, wala naman tong age limit. Um, okay naman, like, wala age limit, MOI is being accepted. Pero yung sa foundation kasi namin, parang mga around, let's see kung 24 kaya, pero the minimum would be around 17. Ayan na.
Mm.
Pero for diploma onwards, yan, wala na age limit.
Wow, okay, that's
So,
nice. Oo.
now, we go to our bachelor's program. Okay. So, sino
Mm.
bang qualified magkuha ng bachelor's program? Those
Siyempre.
that have completed their high school.
Oo, senior
Their
high
senior
school.
high school. But the
Right.
thing, Ma'am Ella, is kahit galing ka ng old curriculum, di ba? Ito yung mga
Accepted pa din?
kwarentahin na ngayon. Yes,
Wow!
we do accept those that came from the old curriculum.
Wow!
Diba? Na gusto nila
Nice.
i-pursue yung bachelor's
Oo,
nila.
oo. Kasi
Walang age limit.
oo, kasi yung iba nating ano, yung mga ibang nag-i-inquire sa atin, no, um, pag old curriculum na nahirapan na tayong humanap ng ano, oo,
Mm.
ng school na tatanggap sa
Sobrang, di ba?
kanila,
Kasi
oo,
siyempre, oo.
nalilimit na kasi ang gusto ng mga karamihan sa
Oo.
schools ngayon is dun sa grade 12, K to 12,
Tsaka,
no?
gusto nila siyempre yung,
Yan,
ah, I mean,
young.
walang problema kung bachelor's graduate ka. Pero ito kasi, like, hindi ka pa nakakatapos. And marami tayong
Correct.
mga OFW, ma'am, ha?
Yes.
Tayong OFW na nagtrabaho na right away without even
Oo.
doing
Going
their
to
bachelor.
college.
So,
Yes.
ngayon, eto na. This is the best time.
Wow.
Meron na silang pwedeng puntahan
Puntahan. Wow.
at tatanggapin yung grade 10 nila or yung fourth year high school lang
School.
pero gusto.
Correct.
Actually, currently, I have a student, uh, middle age, okay? Pero ang ganda kasi ng SOP niya or yung statement of purpose niya why he wants to finish his degree. So, ang ganda
Wow.
and yes,
Nice.
hopefully we'll be getting the visa soon, 'di ba? Kasi yun nga hindi sila talaga mahigpit pa. Okay, so
Correct. Mm-mm.
in diniretso ko na, hindi lang talaga pa sila mahigpit because they're really encouraging students to study. Oo.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
Kasi
Kasi,
dati, i-share ko lang, Ma'am Ella. Dati kasi, alam mo naman tayo mga Filipino, migrating, ano tayo,
oo.
migrating country tayo, no?
Oo.
So, previously, siguro mga, I guess, siguro mga 5 years ago to. May mga nauna ng Filipino OFW sa Malta.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Tapos, nakita nila maluwag, maganda yung country, maganda yung palitan ng euro to peso. Ang ginawa nila, nag-invite sila ng mga
Right.
relatives nila, friends
Correct.
nila,
Oo.
as tourist.
Oo.
Okay. As tourist, and then,
Nag,
dun na nako-convert into
na-convert.
work. Oo.
Oh.
Ngayon, ma'am, nakita to ng Maltese government.
Hindi
So,
pwede.
ginawa nila, parang, gusto namin sana yung workers is may qualification na
Mm.
Maltese. O yung
Mm.
nakapag-aral sana here sa
Alright.
country. Oh. So,
Correct.
ngayon, ang ginawa nila, ma'am, bawal na yon yung nag-tourist ka and then
Oo.
magiging worker ka eventually. So,
Totoo.
ngayon, ang ginawa ng government, ma'am, yung magiging support nila is for those that have completed and has the qualification coming from a Malta institution. So, yun na yung gusto nila ngayon. Para nga
Mm-mm.
naman, pag sinabak mo sila sa workforce, 'di ba,
Correct.
nakatapos ito ng qualification sa amin. So,
Correct.
going back to the programs din, 'di ba? Halos kumpleto nga namin eh.
Oo.
Everything
Correct.
important, andyan na.
Mm-mm.
Management, marketing, psychology,
Correct.
HRM,
Can
accountancy,
see. Mm.
IT, tourism. Okay,
Mm.
explain ko lang. Top-up degree in business and management. Okay. When you say top-up, ito yung magpupunan sa nakukulangan mong credits for you to complete your bachelor.
Oh.
Okay, so sino to? So, ito yung mga parang hindi nakapag fourth year college. Okay.
Okay.
You can have your TOR assessed by our admissions. So,
Mm.
syempre, may sinusundan sila kasi nga business and management eh.
Correct.
So, if your program aligns with with these subjects,
Mm-mm.
most likely marami ka makikredits. Kasi meron
Right.
silang minimum credits na kailangan mong ma-meet
Mamit.
for you to qualify. Okay?
Mm-mm.
Pero syempre, kung mga HRM ka, alam
Mm.
nyo na, medyo
Correct.
malayo. hindi mo mamimit yung, hindi mo mamamit malamang yung credits na nire-require ng
Correct.
institute for you
Mm.
to take the top up. So, basta
Mm.
just in case, nasa business ka, nasa management ka,
Oo,
let's
ayan.
see, let's have your TOR
Correct. Reviewed.
assess, baka
Oo.
sakali, di ba?
Mm.
Um,
Sayang
because
din
for the,
naman.
sayang din, makakatipid ka, 1 year na lang yun.
Correct. Oo, oo.
Because for the rest of the bachelor's program, it runs for 36 months or 3 years.
Mm, mm.
So, since 3 years siya, medyo matagal din, no?
Mm. Eh,
So,
dito nga sa atin, 4 na taon, minsan 5 taon
oo,
pa.
apat, oo, Totoo, ma'am. Magiging
Ta
3 taon lang sa atin kapag ka
Oo.
ikaw ay nag-trimester.
Oo. Eh, gano'n pa
Di ba?
din, 'di ba? Sub-sub ka pa din, 'di
Oo.
ba? At least
So,
dito, sabi mo nga, 3 hours per day within a period of 3 days, 9 hours lang in total yung pagpasok nila sa school. Dito sa atin, 'di ba? Ilang oras yung bubunuin mo, halos maghapon, tapos ending, pagod na pagod ka na sa biyahe, pagod na pagod ka pa, papunta,
hulas na
pabalik,
hulas ka na.
hulas na hulas ka na. Ang dami mo pang assignments na gagawin. Eh di I mean, 'di ba? Wala ka ng time to work. Eh
Oo,
'di ba dito 3 araw lang with 3 hours reporting for school. Ang dami mo talagang time na pwede mo ma-consume para kumita ka pa ng pera for you to be able to support your living, 'di ba? Doon, oh, 'di ba? Sobrang sobrang ganda nung program, 'di ba?
maganda, maganda. Maganda
Mm.
talaga. Tapos, ayun nga, since wala siyang age limit,
Correct.
'di ba?
Mm.
Kahit yung mga medyo mature na profile na students natin, we can still accommodate it.
Wow, that's nice. Oo
As
kasi. Oo.
MOI is being accepted.
Oh, wow. Oh, sige. Meron ata akong candidate gustong student pero hindi ko siya mahanapan kasi parang 50 plus years old na siya. Pero accounting CPA siya. So, pwede at tapos ata nakapag-take ata siya ng business management course kasi nga gusto talaga niyang mag-enhance pa. Ayaw niya daw na nababakante yung kanyang utak. So, definitely kung gusto niya i-take tong na to kasi kausap ko siya last week, gusto gusto pa rin niya mag-aral. So, so I might,
'Di ba?
oo, 'di
Oo.
ba?
So, ma'am, 'di ba, kung ano na pala siya, accountant na siya, no? So, their master's program na pwede pa
'Di
niyang
ba?
kuhain. Ayan, o, 'di ba?
Correct. Oo.
MBA,
Correct.
meron kaming, eto ma'am, very in demand din ng logistics and supply chain.
Right. Mm.
So,
Mm.
tourism, yan, Master of Science in Health and Social Care,
Mm.
lahat yan mga in-demand
Correct,
programs.
correct. Mm.
Ready. Parang gagawin kang job ready
Correct.
pagtapos mo talaga sa program na to. Ngayon, ma'am,
True.
explain ko lang kasi meron sa ilalim postgraduate diploma in man
Oo.
with
With pathways
pathways
available.
available.
Oo.
Okay, so ganito
Oo.
kasi yan. Anything na nakikita nyo dito sa taas, di ba
Mm.
nakalagay masters
Oo.
in
Mm.
management, lahat yan may katumbas na postgraduate diploma. So we call it
Oh.
postgraduate diploma in
In
business administration, postgraduate
postgraduate diploma.
diploma in marketing management, yeah, so on and so forth. Anong difference? Ano ba yung difference ng master's sa postgraduate diploma? Okay.
Mm.
Number one, sa master's kasi you will be doing a project
Yeah.
or some call it a thesis. Di ba?
Oo. Research.
Pero
Oo.
dahil talaga we call it lang talaga a project.
Mm.
So yun yung number one na pinagkaiba. Pag postgraduate, wala nun. Okay? But
Oh.
everything is the same. The credits, the subjects, pareho. Okay? Yun
Wow.
lang. Wala lang project
What?
yung postgraduate diploma and may project yung master's. Aside from that, yung tagal ng pag-aaral.
Oh.
Okay?
Wow.
Duration. Kasi
Mm.
for the masters, it's 12 months.
Oo.
Yung for the postgraduate, it's a little below 12 months, siguro mga 10 months. Kasi wala ka
Ah.
namang project na gagawin.
Oo, oo. Tama,
Pero
tama.
yung visa mo is for 1 year pa rin. You still get
Wow.
the same visa as getting, same with you taking a master's program.
Correct,
Okay?
correct.
So, yan na. So, duration, tapos yung isa may project, yung isa wala.
Wala,
Number
correct.
3 would be the program fees.
Yeah.
Okay, kasi most of our master's program is at 10,000 euros.
Mm-mm,
Mamaya
mm.
papakita ko yon. Pero, our postgraduate diploma is at 8,000 euros.
Wow. Oh, malaki yung
Ngayon,
tikitan, ah.
bigyan ko kayo ng scenario. Kasi nakalagay with pathways available. Okay.
Oo.
Halimbawa, nag-enroll ka, nag-apply ka from the Philippines, talagang gusto mo kasi postgraduate lang. Kasi
Mm-mm.
ayaw mo nga mag-project. And then, halfway through your program, meaning nandun ka na, nag-aaral ka na, bigla mong naisipan, shucks, gusto ko pala ng may project or may thesis. I wanna do it. I can do it. Ganyan. O, di last
Mm-mm.
decide ka. So, yun. Pwede nang, dun mo na gawin yung mga changes ng
Oh.
ng mind mo. So, kausapin mo lang yung taga-admission, say mo you would want to uh, get the master's program. Pero ako naman sa iyo, ma'am, I mean, maganda talaga dito pa lang sa Philippines,
Na-decided mo na.
ma-decide na niya.
Mm-mm,
Kasi
mm-mm.
para settled na siya, wala na siya iisipin doon.
Correct.
Diba?
Exactly.
Kung
Mm-mm.
talaga gusto niyang gumawa ng project or wala. Pero,
Mm-mm.
binigay ko lang naman din yung option na yon. Again, our master's program doesn't require any age limit. Pero for the minimum, meron naman talaga like for the bachelor's, sa minimum niya
Mm-mm.
7 and
Correct.
up.
Correct.
Ganon.
Oo.
So sa master's, it's 21 and up.
Up.
Yun. So
Oo.
wala talagang So
Yeah.
kahit kaka-graduate mo lang from your bachelor's, gusto mo right away mag-master's sa
Mag-masters ka. Mm-mm.
pwede.
Pwede.
So,
Correct.
pwede na.
Good.
Okay.
That's good.
So, again, MOI is being accepted
Yes.
master's program. Ayan. So, ito, meron din naman kaming Doctor of Business Administration.
Mm.
Baka lang sakali meron kang candidate or meron kang profile na naghahanap ng
Mm-mm.
DBA. Meron kami. This is for
Correct.
36 months as well.
Oh.
36 months din siya. This is around 9,500 each month. Of course, you'd be doing your dissertation. Hindi ka naman talaga makaka-pursue ng DBA kung
W-
hindi ka magpa-project or magtitis sa
Correct.
magdi-dissertation. So,
Dissertation.
ayan.
Correct.
Wala rin naman age limit yan, of course.
Wow. Sige.
Okay, rolling intakes na tayo.
Oo.
Okay. Kaya for the rolling intakes, actually, ang dami yung rolling intakes. Like,
Oo nga,
for
oh.
our, oo, di ba? Even yung undergraduate
Oo. Sa
diploma,
masters mo rin, ang
bachelor,
dami, oh.
dami, di ba?
Oo.
So, bakit nga ba madami? Kasi to give you guys time to, more time actually, na halimbawa hindi mo na-meet yung September, may November pa, or hindi mo na-meet
Mm-mm.
yung September intake, may December pa for bachelor's. Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi yung iba, pag hindi mo na na-meet yung September,
Next.
automatic, next year ka na.
Next year
Di
na.
ba? Yung
Next
iba naman,
intake na ulit.
di ba?
Oo.
Ito talagang, meron tayong mga gusto na talagang magsimula na right away. Ayan.
Correct.
So, kinahabulin ka pang November and December
Correct.
for the bachelor's and master's program.
'Di ba?
Yan lang naman
Nice.
yung reason kaya we have rolling intakes. Okay.
Mm.
Mamaya ipapakita ko yung exact tuition fee, but for our foundation program, yun yung katumbas ng senior high school, that's 5,500 euros.
Mm.
Tapos yung
Yun sa maths.
aming bachelor's would be 6,100. Pero meron kaming isang bachelor's na medyo mas malaki sa 6,100, which is tourism and events
Mm.
management. That's for 7,500
Mm.
euros per year. Okay, so
Oh,
again, 3 years program yung bachelor's. Yung master's naman namin, nakalagay starts at 8,000 kasi yung postgraduate diploma namin
correct.
is 8,000 euros.
Mm.
Tapos yung MBA, meron kasi kaming Master of Business Administration na 9,000 euros. And then the rest of the master's program, 10,000 euros na.
Okay.
Kasi nga, yung aming DBA is at 9,500
500 euro.
yearly.
Wow.
Okay, eto na. Ano ang payment scheme? Ano
Yan
nga ba?
talaga yun eh.
Kasi dito talaga tayo. Ito yung deciding factor natin. Okay.
Oo, correct.
For the bachelor's and the foundation program and the undergraduate diploma, we are requiring full tuition fee for the first year. 6,1 lang naman kasi.
Oo.
Anyway, you'd be getting automatic 10% discount if you pay
Wow.
full. 'Di ba? So,
Wow.
yung 6,1 mo, around 5,000 something na lang yun.
Correct.
I
Correct.
think kayang-kayang mabayaran, 'di
Mm.
ba? For a full year.
Correct.
Okay. Ngayon, for the master's program, ito kasi, um, parang sa for the Philippine market, mas
Mm.
marami tayong naghahanap ng magma-masters. Yung gusto nila ng 1 year lang. So,
Correct.
eto na. So, para mas madali tayo at mas marami tayong ma-invite na magma-masters program, diba? The institution decided na sige, yung first year or yung first payment, sorry, yung first payment
50%.
50% na. So let's say
Wow.
you're taking your master's 10,000.
Mm.
Or let's say na lang, doon na lang tayo sa postgraduate diploma
Mm.
at 2,000.
Mm.
4,000 mo na yung
Correct.
kailangan mong bayaran. And then
Bayaran.
the remaining 4,000 euros, babayaran mo yun pag ikaw ay within dun sa 4 months after ng intake start.
Mm. Oh,
So,
at least
pwede on
ano
your
pa
first
rin.
month, pwede on your second month, on your third month, bahala ka basta within
The,
those 4 months
mm.
after take date, sana mabayaran yung remaining 50%. I think it's gonna give you more time to
Correct.
prepare for the
Mm.
remaining 50%.
Oo. Eh kung,
Talaga yun.
'di ba? At saka kung nagwo-work sila on a part-time basis, kayang-kaya nila 'yon.
Kaya,
Definitely. 'Di ba?
kaya, kaya.
Mm.
So, yan yung aming payment scheme. And hopefully, makakatulong, 'di ba, sa ano natin, sa mga
Oo.
potential students natin. Wait.
Correct.
Um, okay. What else? Okay, so dito na tayo sa, yan na, required documents for
Documents.
admissions.
Mm.
Okay, so pretty much the same, the usual.
Correct.
Yung latest CV mo and
Mm.
a very clear copy of your TOR diploma passport,
Mm.
your MOI,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Kung may IELTS naman, as I've said, 5.5 pwede.
Correct.
Personal statement, tutulungan kayo ni Ma'am Ella
Yes.
on how to create a very, very effective SOP. Yung one
Yes.
reference letter from past academic institution and
Institution.
or employers. Okay, ano ba yan? Kasi parang ang daming nalito.
Oo.
Okay, similar to a certificate of good moral character.
Ah, okay.
Kayang-kaya kumuha niyan, oo.
Naman, oo. Diyos
Eh,
ko.
parang may nagtanong, paano po kung hindi ako makakuha sa school or
Oo.
sa past employer ko? Sa kaibigan, pwede rin. Tinatanggap nila, even coming from
Oh,
someone you know, gawa lang sila ng letter
oo.
stating something about your,
Yeah.
character, di ba?
Character.
Pwedeng pwede
Wow.
naman tanggap.
Wow.
And
Okay.
the last thing is one passport size photo that you
Photo.
need to submit. Ngayon,
Right.
pag na-collect niyo na yan, na-submit niyo na yan,
Mm-mm.
syempre i-assess kayo ng admissions.
Correct.
Okay? So, pag-assess ni admission, sabi, ay, o sige, qualified siya to take the bachelor, to take the master's program.
Mm-mm.
Then, we will require for an interview with the admissions team. Actually, ma'am, I've seen some of the interviews, napakadali ng questions. You know what? It's just to check, kasi nga MOI lang yung sinasubmit natin. They're just checking ano yung capacity ng student.
Wow. Okay.
Uh,
Nice.
capacity capacity nila magsalita at mag-understand ng English
Oo.
language.
Actually, ini-implementa rin yan, Lee, sa mga ibang Australian school. Kasi nga,
Oh,
yung iba, kailangan nila mag-take ng ELICOS course or yung English language course. I mean, 'di ba? Eh tayo naman kasi mga Pilipino, talagang kayang-kaya naman natin. Kaya lang minsan napapangunahan lang sila ng ano, yung nervyos
ka ba?
ba? Oo, nervyos ka
Uy,
ba?
ay napakasimple ng mga tanong like, what's your weakness? What's your strength?
Oo.
Why Malta?
Mm.
What course are you going to be taking up? Anong
Mm.
level ng program mo?
Wow.
Ay, mga ganun lang. And actually, we'll be, giving you sample questions din,
Wow. Oh, at
para ma-brief mo rin.
oo,
Ito
syempre.
din.
Willing
Kasi,
tayong i-help sila para at least, 'di ba?
oo,
Andyan na eh,
oo,
konting effort na lang, 'di ba?
konting effort. I
Oo.
think, one of the reasons din kung bakit halos ibigay na nga rin pati yung question na yun. No? Kasi they just want to see the commitment of the student. Ng,
Correct.
ano ba, push na push ka ba, go na go ka ba. So
Correct.
yun lang, makita lang na you're really up for it. Ang malaking puntos na yun, di ba?
Yes, definitely. Oo. At saka
Ako naman,
andito naman tayo with the questionnaires you will share with us. Kami naman, kaya naman na silang i-prepare for that. Mm-mm.
i-brief na lang sila, ma'am. Oo.
Correct.
So,
Oo.
kaya ako very confident ako na talagang yung mga aspiring Filipino students, kayang-kaya to na makakakuha sila ng offer letter agad
Correct.
once they've
Mm-mm.
completed the interview. And yun
Correct.
na nga, may nakalagay kasi dito, offer letter to be accepted within 7 days. Actually, hindi naman, preference lang naman
Preference.
yan. Pero hindi
Oh.
naman sila mahigpit. Okay, it can go beyond 7 days. So just let me know if
Oo.
the student is taking the offer letter pa rin. So,
Correct.
ganyan lang ang preference lang naman 7 days. So,
Mm-mm.
ayan, ganun lang, mabilis lang yan. So, actually, kung yung iba nga, in less than 5 days, nakakuha na sila ng offer letter. Why? Kasi syempre, nag-submit ng ah, nag-submit ng documents, and then nagtagal lang kasi yung schedule for the interview. Yun lang. Siguro nagtagal lang
Correct.
2 days kasi bintis pa si student. Okay,
Correct.
so, pero right after the interview, a day after, may offer letter na.
Wow, that's
Mabilis
nice.
na. Mabilis
Oo,
na.
that's nice. Oo.
So, again, ito lang. Gusto ko lang i-reiterate. Gusto ko rin lang i-share. Malta actually has a very, very similar weather to what we have in the Philippines. May difference, okay? Meron lang difference kasi we have humidity here eh.
Correct.
The weather here is very humid. Sa kanila, nakikita ko yung mga estudyante doon basking in the sun habang nag-aaral. Why? How they do it? Parang hindi sila initan kasi nga walang humidity. So,
Oo. That's nice.
kaya
Parang
nila
Baguio feels like ganun lang.
in cooler
Oo.
months, yes. In
Oo.
cooler months, yes. Para siyang Baguio.
Wow.
So, there is 300 days of sunshine. Kasi nga
Wow.
tayo, di ba, parang kalahating taon.
Oo.
Tapos kalahating taon na tag-ulan, taglamig. So,
Correct.
parang ganyan.
Mm.
It's a very, very safe country to live in. Uh, yung mga nakarating na doon, they can like confidently say na naglalakad sila sa gabi. Just to catch fresh air lang. Hindi sila ramdam ng takot
Mm.
or
Walang mga
hindi nakakaramdam
snatchers,
ng
walang magdana.
wala walang tambay. I mean, meron siguro, pero hindi
Pero
yung katulad dito.
na
Walang,
nakakatakot.
yung
Oo.
nakakatakot yung mga kanto-kanto, baka
Yeah.
biglang may
Wa-
hindi siya
Walang may
gano'n.
biglang mamalbot sa'yo.
Wala, hindi
Wala.
siya
'Di
gano'n.
ba?
So, oo,
Mm.
safe country talaga siya. And then of course, meron pa bang offer na ibabalik sa inyo yung
You.
70% ng tuition fee mo
Correct.
as a,
Wala.
as a refund
Mm, mm.
benefit.
Correct.
Benefit ko na, o sige, basta tapusin mo lang yung pag-aaral mo, tapos magtrabaho ka muna dito, tapos yung tuition fee namin, ibabalik namin sa'yo through tax credit, meaning yung
Correct.
tuition fee na sa system na ng Malta yon, automatic na binabayaran yung tuition fee mo. So, take it as this way, para kang naka-tax holiday
Correct.
for a few years.
Yeah.
Kasi, kano rin yung, let's compute it at 10,000 euros. That's 7,000 euros.
Correct.
Magiging tax credit mo that
Yes.
can
That's
use
right.
pay in your taxes as well.
Correct.
Di ba? I could say
Mm.
more than 1 year yan. So
Oo
talagang
naman.
buong-buo mo
Ko.
makukuha yung salary mo. Di ba? Di ba,
Correct.
maganda
Mm.
talaga. And then, of course, nasa smart city ka, state of the art sa mga facilities. Nakita nyo naman
Correct.
kayo sa photos. And then, of course, you are allowed to work part-time for 20 hours legally. Okay.
Mm.
Kayo
Mm.
na mag-fill in the blanks kung
Oo.
bakit legally. Okay. Kasi there are lots of marami nga kasi may mga Filipino communities din doon na they are very generous in offering part-time work to Filipino students din. So, bahala na kayo kung paano yung pag-uusapan yung mga ganyang bagay. Pero
Correct.
but legally is 20 hours and sabi ko nga 9 hours a week lang yung school
Pasok.
mo. What do you do with the remaining
Oo, ang dami-dami.
30 hours? Diba? With the remaining
Correct.
can
Mm.
really, really work. Diba?
Correct.
All
Mm.
the time. So, ayan. Tapos, ma'am, yung programs namin, hindi lang accredited and recognized sa Europe, worldwide,
Yeah,
'di ba?
correct.
So, um, mailalaban mo naman siya in case parang, o sige, parang gusto mo namang tumira sa other countries, edi i-present mo yung qualification mo from Global College Malta and still
Correct.
i-recognize nila yan, di ba?
Right, correct.
Post-studies feedback. Ito
'Di
pala,
ba?
gusto ko i-mention. Okay. Meron
Mm.
din kaming post-study, or some call it a job seeker visa. Okay. Pero yung
Wow.
feedback period doon is around 9 months. Okay? It
Hmm.
can be extended, but then again, I tell you, it's very rare na
Oh.
magpapa-extend ka. Kasi ba't ka magpapa-extend? Kasi hindi ka nakahanap ng work. Alam mo ba,
Oo.
Miss Ella, currently, our success rate is around 96%. Ano
Wow.
nangyari kaya sa 4%? Those 4%
Eh,
decided to probably transfer to another country or
correct.
go back to their home
Home
country.
country. Oo.
But the rest, they're able to find work on their third month after their studies,
Correct.
fourth month, not even on their sixth month, meron na silang employer.
Mm.
So, ako nga sumali ako sa, kasi I really wanted to check kung paano ba maghanap ng trabaho, maghanap ng
Mm.
accommodation sa Malta. You know what I did, ma'am? I searched for the groups in Facebook,
Oo.
those Filipinos that are in Malta. And lo and behold,
Wow.
lo and behold, ang na-discover.
Oh,
Ganito
wow.
yung mga post, guys. Ganito yung mga post. Looking for worker, looking for part-time worker, looking for
Wow.
someone who's looking for accommodation. Ganon. So, tagalogin nyo na,
Wow.
ah,
Correct.
accommodation, for rent. Mga ganyan.
Correct.
Laging ganon. So, what does it say? Ano yung sabihin mo? Bakit po? Ibig sabihin, abundant ang trabaho.
Correct, correct. Tama.
Abundant ang trabaho. Tapos, aside sa abundant ang trabaho, hindi mahirap maghanap ng accommodation.
Correct.
So, and the institution will also help you. Diba? Hanapan namin kayo ni Ma'am Ella ng accommodation niyo.
True, true.
So
Very
actually,
true.
sabi ko nga yung Filipino community doon is very helpful.
Mm.
Minsan nga yung student namin, kinokontak na lang namin yung mga Filipinos na nandun na meron na silang services. Yung yung sumusundo sa airport, sila na lang ang susunduin sa student. Ma'am, hindi pa nakakababa yung estudyante sa accommodation, tinatanong, gusto mo mag-part-time? Hindi,
Di ba?
hindi pa nakakababa ng
Correct.
accommodation, hindi pa nakakatungtong sa bahay niya.
Oh.
Nag-offer na ng trabaho.
Wow.
Pero, okay, ang ano dito, catch dito guys, syempre, yung mga ganyang mabilisang offer, syempre
Mm.
yan ay para sa mga hindi maselan.
Oo.
Yung
Correct.
mga cleaning services, hindi ka
Mm.
naman yung mga kakailangan nila sa restaurant nila ng part-time, yung
Mm.
mga baka
Correct.
isipin nyo na si office worker agad. Hindi, pero I can tell you, ang
Mm.
maganda pati sa Malta is um, maganda yung treatment nila sa Filipino workers natin. Hindi
True.
kayo matatakot na, hala, baka blue collar job na lang. Although,
Oo.
all of the jobs naman are decent, di
Oo,
ba?
oo.
Pero syempre yung iba kasi parang, uy, nag-masters ako, gusto ko office work,
Oo,
gusto
correct,
ko
correct.
yung align sa industry na papasukin ko. Yes. Very confident ako na makukuha niyo yung ina-aspire niyong trabaho pag nasa Malta na kayo.
Correct,
Especially
correct.
pag meron kayong magandang qualification coming from Global College Malta. So,
Correct.
ang take ko lang dito, guys, while it's fresh, di ba? Although hindi
Mm.
naman talaga fresh na fresh, pero dahil marami naman na tayo mga international students. The thing is, sa ating dito sa Philippines, fresh pa siya, di ba?
Correct.
Parang,
Mm.
kasi it always has been USA, Canada,
Kada
Australia,
Australia, New
New
Zealand.
Zealand,
Oo.
UK, all of
Mm.
those English-speaking countries. Ngayon,
Yes.
ito, nagulat ako, meron palang maliit na country sa Malta, ay sa Europe, na nag-i-English silang lahat.
Correct.
Oh,
Oo.
so,
Mm.
ayan, so habang maluwag pa sila, habang they
Correct.
feel very inviting
Mm.
for the
Oo.
international students.
Take the
It is
opportunity na.
it is
Oo,
the
don't let
best
it slide.
time.
Oo, correct.
Yes,
Oo.
wag niyo nang palagpasin 'to kasi
Kasi
ang sarap ng feeling na isa ka sa nauna.
correct. Kasi right now, sobra ngayon ang hirap pumasok sa Canada as a student visa. Ang daming refusals. Ganon din actually yung mga nangyayari sa iba pang mga countries. So, sabi ko nga, ang mga nasa market ngayon, ang laging pinopromote actually namin is more on sa European countries kasi mataas pa yung visa grant approvals natin dito. Especially pag nalaman nila na Pilipino ka, alam nila na, uy, Filipino to. Pwede to, pasok to, ganyan. Oo. So, tsaka
Actually, ma'am,
we have very good reputations both especially in the working force, no. Ang daming mga employers diyan na compared to other nationalities. Hindi naman sa nagde-discriminate tayo, no? It's not about discrimination. It's more about how do employers value the Filipino talents
very
talaga.
professional kasi talaga.
Correct. Oo, oo. Dito lang naman tayo medyo nawawalan ng disiplina sa sarili nating bansa kasi ang daming nangyayari. Oh, but definitely when you go out of the country, Filipinos are very masunurin, law-abiding citizens at saka yun nga, very masipag.
Mm.
Oo, at saka ang dami kong employers na nakakausap actually even before ako dito sa Link Edu yung mga employers sa Australia, they always prefer compared to other nationalities ang mga Filipino citizens talaga.
Oo. Bukod
Oo.
sa bukod sa magaling tayong mag-English, I
Oo.
think it has to do with yung professionalism natin, how
Mm.
dedicated we are
Oo.
with work, 'di ba?
Correct, oo. Kasi sa ibang lahi, pag sinabi nila na, ay pagka may pinirmahan silang kontrata na tapos pinagawa mo sila ng additional task, sasabihin nila, oh, that's not part of my job. Ganyan. Pero pag sa Pinoy, oh, sige lang, basta may
Tanggap lang,
overtime pay. Basta may pay ako, go lang. Di ba?
tanggap ng tanggap.
Oo, yan. So,
Ah,
yan, it's very good thing. Kasi nga sabi ko nga kanina, no, before your presentation, Malta is it's maybe some of our international study goers there hindi masyado na-heard ang Malta, but then again, Malta has a lot to offer like any other country of destination for study programs. Malta also has everything in it, no, to offer. So tara na mga ano natin diyan, mga kabatak natin diyan na gustong punta ng ibang bansa, ito na ang pagkakataon ninyo. Take the advantage of course the opportunity na mauna nga kayo, sabi nga ni Miss Lino, at the same time mataas pa ang approval rating in terms of the visa grants. So yun naman, kahit naman issuean kayo ng kahit na sinong school, tapos hindi kayo ma-aprobahan ng visa, it will not gonna further 'di
oo.
ba? 'Di
Hindi
ba?
talaga siya magpa-prosper. Actually,
Correct.
ma'am, I'm very, very glad to say, no, happy to say na currently we're at 100%.
'Di
For the
ba?
Filipinos, ha? For the
Yes.
Filipinos,
Filipinos, correct. Oo.
100% visa approval.
Wow, that's nice. Oh, I've heard actually halos lahat ng European countries matataas ang visa approval pa. Oo, kasi they are really inviting. So yung mga nahirapang pumasok sa Canada diyan, US diyan, dito na po kayo. Huwag niyo na pong pahirapan yung sarili
Oo.
ninyo for now. Dahil eventually naman sabi nga natin, no, your qualifications, your degree will still be internationally accepted, which is the most important thing, 'di ba? So same quality of education, same time na igugugulin ninyo sa pag-aaral, at the same time ang dami pang benefits kasi nga, 'di ba? May free transportation kayo, may tax refund kayo of your tuition fee, which you don't really get from other international study regions of your choice. So dito na po kayo, huwag niyo na pong pahirapan yung sarili ninyo.
Actually, Mamela, I would like to add, no, kasi sa Malta kasi, yes, sa Europe malaki ang taxes na babayaran mo.
Mm,
And although hindi mo naman siya talaga mararamdaman on your first year of
correct.
working, tuition fee mo yung nagbabayad sa taxes mo.
Mm.
But you know where your taxes go.
Goes. Correct.
Makikita mo kasi libreng transportation, 'di ba?
Yes.
For one.
Oo. Correct.
Tapos, what else? Yun nga, binalik nga sa'yo yung, yung tuition fee mo. What else? Alam nyo ba, guys, na once you're working na, libre na rin ang medical mo.
Oo, 'di ba?
Libre.
Oo.
Of course, God forbid, ayaw nating
Yes, of
magkasakit.
course. Oo.
Pero malaking bagay yung
Correct.
meron kang libreng
Yung
medical.
medical.
Ano
Oo.
'tong libre na 'to? Of course, check up to confinement to
Correct.
even medicines and to even yung mga maintenance medicines mo.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
case in point. Case in point, meron kang, let's say si student may diabetic and hypertension. Alam niyo
Mm.
ba, Ma'am Ella, may kwento sa akin na pag nagbibigay sila ng gamot, hindi 30 pieces, hindi 60 pieces, kasi by the box. Pag nagbigay
Wow.
sila ng maintenance, and
Oh,
each box contains around 90 tablets. So, ganun
wow.
sila ka-generous na sabi nga niya sa
Correct.
student, talagang looking forward siya to complete the studies kasi sabi niya, ang pinagsisisihan niya, bakit ngayon lang siya nag-decide mag-Malta?
Exactly.
Why?
Oo.
Kasi previously, gusto niya talaga, of course, Canada, Australia, yun
Australia,
ang goals
US.
niya.
Yeah.
But then again, sa age nga niya, because she's 40-ish, so may nag-offer sa kanya ng Malta. And ang tagal pa raw niyang pinag-isipan if mag-go siya sa Malta. And
True.
just to realize nung nandun na siya sa Malta na, OMG, ang ganda dito. Like, sayang yung
Oo.
panahon na pinag-isip ko. Di sana tapos
Exactly.
na ako ngayon. Sana
Exactly.
kinukuha ko na yung spouse ko, yung daughter
Yung
ko. Kasi you are also, after your studies, pwedeng-pwede ka na rin mag-sponsor ng,
wow.
kung ano mo, ng
Oo. Ang
family
family
member
member.
mo.
Oo. Wow,
Although
nice.
not while on study visa, pero if you're
Yes.
taking the master's program,
Correct.
you just have to sacrifice 1 year away from your family.
Correct.
And then, ang maganda doon, kuhain mo yung spouse mo.
'Di ba?
Your spouse can work.
Yes.
Same with you. Di ba?
Yes. Oo.
Makakapagtrabaho siya. And then, your minor children can go to school for free.
Correct.
Di ba?
Oo.
Basta yung mga minor
Exactly.
na.
Oo.
And then,
Oo.
yun lang. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Tsaka, um, meron doon, ito pa, isa pang kwento, OFW naman. So, nagkasakit si Filipino worker, nasa Malta siya. Dahil nga libre yung supposedly na medical. And kailangan niya is specialized treatment. Nawala
Okay.
yung hospital sa Malta. Ma'am, alam mo
Oo.
ginawa?
Oo.
Pinadala siya sa France. Yung
Wow.
multi-government, all expense paid. Nilipad siya
Wow.
sa France para dun siya gamutin.
Wow.
Yun.
'Di ba?
Ganun yung, ito yung masasabi mong you know where your taxes go.
Goes. Oo, kasi let's say, alimbawa, no, example ko lang din in relation to that, no. Sa Australia, you have to get your yung inyong insurance coverage, insurance policy for the entire duration ng study program mo. Syempre, that's how your health benefits will work on, 'di ba?
Oh, same naman sa
Oo.
Malta. Yes,
Oo,
same
oo.
naman.
Pero after that, pagka wala kang coverage tulad ng sinabi mo, 'di ba? Hindi rin
Pag
naman
na-transition na sa work visa.
correct. Oo. So
Mm.
ikaw na ulit ang hahanap ng insurance coverage mo, 'di ba? So with that, I mean it's a very good thing, no? Ang ganda ng mga programs, ang ganda rin ng mga benefits. And like I said, no, it's Malta has a lot to offer for the international study goers diyan. Dito na po kayo kaysa po pag-isipan nyo pa po, wag na po kayong patumpik-tumpik pa.
Ah, oo.
Kasi
Saka
'di
ma'am,
ba?
i-mention ko lang Ma'am Ella, 'di ba? Kasi of course, we would be requiring proof of funds.
Yes, of course. Mm.
Kailangan naman talaga 'yun kahit
Mm.
saan. Siyempre,
Mm.
ang maganda lang sa Malta, hindi siya block account. So,
Yes.
yung iba tawag ng show money na.
Yes.
So, we'll be requiring around 11,000 euros for
Mm.
your proof of funds, no? That's the minimum. Of course, you can go higher than that, no? Para better
Mm.
approval.
Correct, correct.
But the thing in Malta is, hindi sila mahigpit kung ang sponsor mo, hindi mo relative.
Oh, 'di ba? Eh sa iba, 'di ba, immediate family lang.
Visit family.
Nanay, tatay, kapatid. Oo.
So ito, actually kahit yung iba nga nag-loan. Nag-loan lang, tapos nilagay nila sa bangko, hindi ka tatanungin ng mata saan mo kinuha yung pera mo.
Exactly.
As long as it's in your bank account and it's there for at least 3 months
Correct.
and your bank account has transactions naman, moving naman siya, hindi sila para kalkalin kung saan mo kinuha. No, hindi ganon. As long as
Yeah. That's
so
good.
ngayon, oo,
Mm-mm.
so ngayon kung makakuha kang sponsor, either ipe-present mo yung bank statement mo and your bank certificate mo or altogether yung sponsor
Sama.
mo lang ang magpe-present.
Oo.
So it's either the student or the sponsor. Pero ang maganda dito, kahit hindi mo nga kamag-anak. So may isang student ako, ang kinuha niya, boss niya.
Wow.
Kinuha ng sponsor ang boss niya. Okay,
Wow,
so
that's
oo,
good. Oo.
okay naman.
Nice, 'di ba? Oo. So, 'di ba? Ang daming
So lahat na nga ng
ang
pwedeng
daming
ma'am.
flexibility, 'di ba? At like in comparison with other international study
Very
program,
lenient, oo.
sobrang strict, sobrang ay, may papasa pa ba? Teka lang muna. So, ayun, with this, it's a good opportunity for our countrymen then na naghahanap ng opportunity talaga to grow and to study and progress further, no, kasi ang dami diyan na nare-restrict, hindi maka-move forward dahil kahit gustong-gusto nila. Ang dami kasing batas, ang dami kasing qualification. Ano pa lang, entry requirement pa lang hindi na makapasok.
Yes.
Especially in terms of the financial documentation kasi nga ang very limited lang hanggang first yung immediate family lang. What if yung tita ko, what if yung tiyuhin ko, what if yung 'di ba? So at least with this one, with Global College Malta, 'di ba? Kahit hindi mo pala relative, pwede mag-support sa'yo. Which is, yun yung nagiging blockers ng mga iba nating international study goers talaga. Gustong-gusto nila pero hindi sila maka-move forward. Which is, I think this is the best time, no, sa inyong lahat diyan na nakikinig, nanonood, no. So, Link Edu together with Miss Lee, yours truly will be assisting you end-to-end with the documentation, with the review ng inyong mga documents, paano kayo gagawa ng SOP, yung statement of purpose, i-help po namin din kayo. At the same time, hindi nyo na po kailangan ng kung sino-sino pang ng problema in terms of your financial sponsor. Kasi kahit naman po pala sino pwede. As long as mapapatunayan natin na they are willing to assist you, 'di ba? So, yan, I think Miss Liha was able to cover and uncover pala nung mga hinaing na hindi natin
Oo.
mabigay sa ibang mga international study goers na gustong-gusto talagang pumunta, no? It's just that sobrang limit lang kasi nga
Oo.
nare-restrict sila. Age
Nag-restrict.
restricted na.
Age.
Yes.
English.
English. Kailangan kumuha ng IELTS, PTE, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos, pagka, financial capability, hindi maka-suffice yung immediate family. Kahit pagsamasamahin na, hindi pa rin enough. So, na-stuck na sila doon, hindi na sila maka-move forward. Oh. So, kung ito, sabi nga ni Miss Lee, no, merong kahit boss niya, pwede. So, if we can do the same thing with you guys, hindi nyo na kailangang problemahin pa na, na mahirapan kayong kumuha ng sponsor ninyo in terms of your study program. So, this is the answer that you've been
Oo.
waiting
Tsaka
for.
ma'am,
Oo.
i-add ko rin, Ma'am Ella.
Opo.
Okay. So, for the tuition fee, we're even accepting credit card payment. So, bibigyan naman
Oh.
kayo ng link. Diretso nyo ibabayad sa school nyo, credit card. For the sponsorship, kahit pa yan galing rural bank,
Oh, wow,
pwede ba
seriously.
rin?
Oo,
And
ayun.
ito pa ma'am,
Ang
yung mga
daming
previously
giveaway.
refused, yung mga previously refused students in Canada and Australia,
Weh,
kahit sa
seryoso?
We are accepting them to
Oh, wow.
apply.
Wow, that's nice.
So, di
Oo,
ba?
sige, sige. To I might speak with some of the students na may visa refusal.
Ito na ang
Uh,
chance nila.
sige, sige. So at least may isa akong estudyante kasi hirap na hirap ako, hindi tinatanggap talaga na dahil nga kahit na 2 years ago na yung visa refusal niya, nahirapan pa rin, ayaw tanggapin. So
Oo.
with this one, I think I can move him with the Global College Malta para he can proceed with his study program, and hindi na siya na-stuck. Na-stuck na kasi kami to sa proseso na.
Ito na. Ito na yung sign.
Correct,
I
correct.
call this a sign, no, di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
Ito,
Oo. Kasi kung ang dami kong aggregators na kausap, lahat, ma'am, kasi po may visa refusal, ma'am, kasi po ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, ano nang gagawin natin kung dyan na tayo na stuck? Hindi ko na rin
ito,
alam kung saan ko siya
o, di ba?
idadalhin. Oo, 'di ba? So,
Parang yung tinatawag na hulog ng langit ba?
yes, oo, oo, totoo. Kasi ang dami diyan talaga na hindi naman nila kasalanan kung bakit sila na visa refusal, no? We cannot simply blame them. Kasi minsan din, or based dun sa mga, syempre, I've been doing migration then with, together with, working with the registered migration agents, no? Or migration advisors, no? Hindi, normally hindi rin naman fault ni candidate or ni student or ni visa applicant yung mga ganong situation, kasi minsan yung case officers din mismo yung may problema. Kasi
Oo.
minsan daw based sa mood nila, pagka sobrang dami naka-file up na sa desk nila or sa table o sa plate nila, minsan sige, pag feel ko na magbigay ng visa grant, sige, sige, ganyan. Pag hindi mo hindi, pag siguro napagalitan sila ng boss nila. But yeah,
Oo.
hindi kasalanan ng visa applicant kung bakit din sila nade-deny in most cases. But yes, yung binigay mo na lahat ng documents, sinupply mo naman lahat, naging compliant ka
Still.
naman, yeah. Tapos ending, visa refuse ka pa rin. Parang, ha, ang saklap nun, ganyan. Parang,
And
so,
ma'am, di ba pag sa Australia, application pa lang 90,000 na.
2,000 AUD, magkano ang exchange rate ngayon? Diyos me.
Di ba
Diyos
nasa
mio.
45
Oh,
na ba? O di mga around close to 90,000 na nga.
yes, oo.
Mag-a-apply ka, tas marirefuse.
Correct, oo. Tapos siyempre kumuha ka ng ano mo, insurance policy mo, kung nagpa-medical ka, Diyos ko, lahat-lahat na lang, nag-IS
Samantalang
ka.
sa Malta, ma'am, oh, sa Malta, it's €150 only.
'Di ba? 'Di
Ah,
ba?
o, di ba? Ang visa
Oo.
application.
Kaya nga, kayo
Isa pa
diyan,
tayo,
'no,
dito sa
lipat na kayo dito.
oh,
We'll assist you, we'll guide you, and eto na yung kasagutan sa inyong mga ano diyan, agam-agam or yung mga concerns ninyo na hindi tayo maka-move forward sa mga bagay-bagay para sa inyong study program. Eto na po ang kasagutan, maliwanag pa po sa madaling araw, kumbaga. So, let's
this
get
is
you
the time.
started na. Send nyo lang po ang inyong resume sa ating email address. Me and Miss Lee will help together with with both of our teams. We will guide you, we will assist you, and let's get through the ano po, yung kung saan may bottleneck. Hindi na po kayo magkakaroon ng bottleneck dito. Oo, ituloy-tuloy lang po yung proseso kasi lahat po sinagot na po yung inyong mga
Lahat ng
agam-ag.
bottleneck.
Correct. May sagot ka agad, 'di ba? So, 'wag na po ninyong patagalin, 'wag na po ninyong pag-isipan pa. Again, it's a long overdue. This is the right answer. This is the right time. All you have to do is to send us the copy of your most updated resume po. Info at linkediumigration.com. We will assist you and guide you. Kung kailangan po kami ulit conduct ng ano ng one-on-one
Yeah.
session sa inyo ni Miss Lee, definitely we will do that. And kung may promo at may mga benefits kayo sa kay kila Miss Lee sa Global College Malta, meron din po kayong benefits sa Link Edu. Number one, pag kayo yung main applicant, no, kayo po yung main student, definitely yung processing fee po namin, we'll definitely provide you with a discounts, 'di ba? So sabihin mo na ang processing fee, may processing fee po kami, Miss Lee. Ang processing fee po namin sa student visa is 30,000. Pero pagka nag-register po kayo for Global College Malta, we will provide at least 10,000 discount. So 20,000 na lang po. Yes
Wow!
po, opo.
Compared to okay.
Yes, opo. Tapos po, definitely we will assist you dun sa paggawa po ng SOP, and at the same time, yung pagre-review lahat ng mga documentation na kailangan nyo, and yung preparedness ninyo doon sa interview, at definitely hindi na po namin i-recommend na mag-IELTS or PTE po kayo, malaking savings na po yon. And ayun po, kung lahat po ng may mga katanungan, definitely send lang po kayo muna ng resume ninyo. We will connect with you immediately. One-on-one consultation is for free po, walang charge po yon, hanggang sa maihanap po namin kayo ng mga kurso. Lahat naman po ng mga offerings po ng Global College Malta, kumpleto po sila. So, dito na po kayo. Ayan. So, ganun po. So, thank you, Miss Lee. It's really an honor, and it's worth na nag-join force tayo dito sa ating live session, no? Sa ating yung mga may questions later on, magko-connect na lang po ako sa iyo. Tapos, lahat po ng makakanood pa nito on the succeeding months or succeeding weeks or days, free pa rin, ganun pa rin po yung ipopromo ko po sa inyo. Basta sabihin nyo lang, nanood po ako nung live session po ninyo with Miss Lee, definitely you'll get the discount, no? Ayan. So, ganun lang po, no? Tulungan lang po tayo para mas marami po makapag-progress po kayo sa inyong international study goals, no? Ayan. So, thank you. Until next time, thank you so much, Miss Lee. And mag-schedule po ulit tayo ng next session natin dito. Oo,
Yes,
kasi
of course, of course.
baka may hindi pa nakanood ulit or nakasali, or hindi ba na-miss nila kasi may mga work, may mga commitments, may mga ganyan. So, naintindihan naman natin 'yon, no? So, mag-conduct po ulit kami. Until next time, we will further announce naman po 'yan sa ating Facebook. So, join lang po kayo or mag-follow lang po kayo. Definitely, you'll get updated sa lahat ng mga live sessions po natin. Thank you so much ulit, Miss Lee. Maraming maraming
Oh,
salamat.
Ella, it's my
Opo.
pleasure. Always a pleasure.
Opo.
Thank you
Thank you.
po.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching, and have a good
Bye.
day po. Ingat po kayong lahat, and God bless po.